Hello guys, review device HMD Arc, this ultra budget device, version 2GB memory and 64GB storage, TA6082, HMD Arc, black color. Open box. Okay. Device. And in compactation we have only papers, key for SIM slot, and this we have Type-C cable. That's all compactation. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side, on this side power button and warm buttons. Slot, combined slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card. Headphones jack, Type-C port, speaker and microphone. We have display 6.5 inch. Okay, open settings. We have 14 Android, this clear Android. And look onto the benchmark results. We have processor SC8863A Unisoc. And results of this processor. Okay, PUBG Mobile works only on the low graphic level. Okay, and I show you photos and on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.